One of the goals of simulation is to allow for the rapid exploration of different ideas. The new Rerun panel in MapleSim 2024 aims to help you do that quicker and more efficiently. The Rerun panel keys off of the parameters in a parameter block. You can see them here, and if you check this for available for rerun, those will be available to you in the subsequent Rerun panel. I want you to pay close attention to the pressure parameter here, and this is the pressure of the vacuum roller here in vacuum roller number 3, and I'm going to be measuring the tension in the span between rollers 2 and 3 that's going to be seeing some fluctuation in tension due to an eccentricity in roller 4. So just like previous versions of MapleSim, you hit play, it's going to formulate the equations of motion, it's going to compile those into highly efficient code, and then it's going to generate a set of simulations and a visualization for you to look at, so you can explore the results. You can run it. In this case, we can see the tension variation in this span, both by the change in color, but also by looking at this fluctuation in the plot. What's new in 2024.1 is the Rerun panel. Here you can see that same set of parameters that I exposed and made available for rerun, and I can just modify them here. So if I want to adjust the friction, I can do so, and immediately rerun and see how it affects my panel. And you can see here, it adjusts and it affects this fluctuation a little bit, but doesn't do a great job. So rather than going back to the model, I can then say, hey, what about if I take a look at that vacuum pressure? What if I make that a little bit higher? Now you can see it does a much better job at attenuating that fluctuation that we were seeing. I'm not going to solve this problem here, but what I want to show you is how rapidly you can iterate on these ideas inside the Rerun panel. Again, if you decide, just like before, you used to have latest results, now you've got a latest rerun. This can be stored and saved like any other result, but new in 2024.1, it's going to store what those parameter values were when you generated that result. So should you come back to it again, you can ensure you know the parameters that caused the result that you were seeing. I said at the onset that one of the goals of simulation is to allow you to rapidly explore different designs. And the new Rerun panel in MapleSim 2024.1 helps you do exactly that more efficiently and faster.